It's past time that बिल्कुल basic.
It's clear that the alligator has a blind spot in front and center of his field of vision. Which animal does not have any blind spot? Is it octopus, cat, or horse? Ta-da! Time up! Actually, it's octopus. Yes. Now next time when you dive deeper into the oceans, be aware.
Talking about octopus, Pacific octopus have 3 hearts. How many brains do they have? Is it 9, 8 or 1? Ta-da! It's 9. Must be very smart, na?
We all love lions. Don't worry, just kidding. Lion uses his loud roar to warn of anyone who threatens his family. Who among these can roar like a lion? Is it grey wolf, hyena, or an ostrich? Seems interesting. Ta-da! Time up. It's actually ostrich. Hidden talents, you know. Next time when you hear some roar, it might be an ostrich. But not every time. Animals like horses, zebra and elephant sleep while standing up. Which of the following can take 1 minute sleep more than 200 times a day? Is it ant, sheep or bats? Think. Yes, it's ant. Maybe that's why they are so hardworking.
Dogs as pets, all love them. But do we serve them with correct food? Eating chocolates can of course be dangerous for dogs. But which of these food items can also cause severe problems? Is it meat, onions or rice? Ta-da! It's time. Actually, it's onions. Yes. Cooked or uncooked, onions are very dangerous.
In fact, you should avoid all these food items.
Comment your score in the comment box. And thanks for watching.